Hello viewers, I want to share with you the process of creating cousters in the shape of sunflowers. Thanks to Google Translate, which helps with the translation from Ukrainian to English. The materials I use, it's hook 2 millimeters. Then yarn. I use yarnat jeans, colors brown, 2 shades, and yellow. Let's start. I take dark brown yarn and make a magic loop or amigurumi loop, whichever suits you, and crochet the 2 chain. 1, 2, and I make 13 double stitch in this loop. First round is the end, and the next step I make I crochet 2 chain up and make 2 double stitch in each. As a result of the second row, we have 28 double crochets, and next row I make 2 chain, and I make 2 double crochet in one and 1 single, 2 double crochet, 1 single, and I make this to the end of row. Two, one, next 2, and 1 single, and I make the same to the end of row. Next row I make I crochet. I make already 2 chain, and I make 2 double stitch in one, and 2 double stitch in single, 1 single, 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. Looks double, 2 in 1, and 2 single, 1 next 2 in 1, 1 2 and single single, 1 2 next 2 in 1 and 1 1. And I make the same to the ends of the row. Next row I make the same, but 2 double stitch in 1, 3 in each, 2 in 1, 3 in each, and to the end of the row. 2 chain, 2 in 1, and 1 2 3. Next 2 in 1, and 1 2 and to the end. Next I finish with the darkest thread, yarn. I cut the yarn with the scissors, make a knot so that everything holds securely, and height of the tail. I make slip stitch and cut of the yarn. Next I make knot. next round I make 5 single crochet in each. I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 6th stitch I make 2 single crochet in 1, in the same 2. Next 1, 2, 5 single crochet in each, and in 6 I make 2, 1, 2, 2 single crochet in 1, and I make to the end with the same. Now I take yellow yarn and I will crochet a sunflower petals. I make a knot. And in the same I make 1 stitch, single crochet, sorry, and make a 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. In this I make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, single crochet. And I make this to the end of the round. And next I make a 4 double stitch in this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4 double stitch, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet under this chain and 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4.